This is the BlackBerry Curve 8520. To take apart this phone, firstly remove the back cover, battery, memory card and SIM card from the phone if you haven't already done so. Next, using a Torx 6 screwdriver, remove the screws as being pointed out here now in the video. Next, turn the phone over and then using a safe pry tool, pry off the lens cover as being shown here now in the video. The lens is just held in place with a small bit of glue, so just use the pry tool to pry apart. Once you have removed the lens, using the safe pry tool again, release the clips along the side of the phone to release the front bezel. You will need to release the clips at the side, the top and the bottom of the phone. Once you have removed the front bezel, remove the two screws at the top of the phone as being shown here now in the video. Using a safe pry tool, release the LCD screen's pop connector as being shown here now in the video. Next, still using a safe pry tool, release the clips at the side of the LCD screen. There is one at each side. Once you have released one, you will just be able to gently lift out the LCD screen as we are showing here in the video. You can now replace the screen.